In the last 24 hours, we can see that $22.36 million of BTC has been liquidated. I rate we change that. Let's get into the charts. Now that we're in the charts, I won't be needing these anymore. So the situation for Bitcoin still remains in this very corrective structure. We still have followed this 5-wave move to the upside, and now we are tracking a larger 3-wave move to the downside. This all plays out in the larger degree wave 4. If we zoom in, we can see a bit more of the chart. So in this larger degree A wave, this A wave has completed, this B wave is completed, and this C wave is still unfolding to the downside. It can still come down quite a bit lower. We are expecting one more low in the market as this corrective structure does not look finished. So in this wave C, we have a 5-wave move, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and now are tracking the 5th wave. We can see that even more if we zoom in. We are currently in or have just finished this 4th wave move out of those 5 waves. This 4th wave topped at around 40,570. So we can see that this 5th wave should be now unplaying. We could have a wave 1 down. So in this 5th wave, we'll have 5 waves. We could have wave 1 down, wave 2 up, 3 down, 4 up, and 5 down for that last low to be created. So this 5th wave is targeting about this 1.618 zone and might even make another high and then one more low, targeting around this 1-to-1 1.236 ratio of 38,100. So that is our target for the entire move. At the moment, if we go down into the 15-minute chart, we can see that in this 3rd wave, we have 5 waves. So this is very micro count, and micro count could change very easily, but at the moment, this is the count. We are tracking this 5-wave move as the 3rd wave, and it is targeting this 1.618 zone at $38,600. So we can see that this wave 2 has just made quite a healthy wave 2, hitting the 1.618 region. This also had a descending trend line at the moment. Now this trend line has been broken and has been retested. Does this mean a lasting high in this wave 2 has formed? Well, we can only wait and see. Price is still coming down at the moment, and I do believe this 3rd wave has started. We don't have any knowledge at the moment that it has, as a B wave could still be playing out in an A B, and then a C in a higher wave 2. But this is all micro structure and could change very easily. I think once we cross this low of wave 1 at 39,717, this lasting low could be in. We could have an overshooting B wave, but the likelihood is unlow. It actually might cross it right now on this video. But so this wave 3 is now targeting out this 38,000. We should, all 3 of those words have a 4th wave up and a 5th wave down, but this lasting low could be the low that we see. I do believe we are going to have one more move down. If we look at the RSI at the moment on the 4-hour time frame, which is the more relevant time frame, we can see that the RSI is still super overbought, and this should indicate that downside momentum should come. Now this aligns with our wave 5 to the downside in our Elliott Wave Theory. So after that low has been created, we have 2 scenarios. the two scenarios is that we either rally from here in the larger degree fifth wave. This could send prices all the way up in 5 waves to all-time highs, and we could see massive greed in the market before a larger correction. Or this entire structure down could be an ABC of the A wave. Then we should see a B wave to follow and a C wave into new lows for this correction. Those are the two scenarios. At the moment, I don't know which one is going to play out, whether it's the bearish or bullish scenario, but we can track this once the low has been made. This low, after this low, we should see either a strong impulse to the upside in this wave 1, or we could see a corrective ABC, ABC, and then an ABC in this B wave. So that's how we're going to know if another low is coming or we are shooting up to new all-time highs. But other than that, that's all for today's Bitcoin video. We can actually see that price just did surpass that 39,700 region and should be now heading down into this third wave of the fifth wave move. But that's all for today's video. If you liked, please subscribe to the Discord channel down below. And if you want all my personal charts and my personal trades, you can join the Discord in the description. It's been MaxTradesCrypto. Cheers.